Alright, so today got a Husqvarna chainsaw. Okay, during the snow and ice, lost my set screw or your bar tensioner, whatever you want to call it. Couldn't find anywhere that had that specific bolt, whatever case due to the ice. So you get these plastic clips found at the hardware store. Get you 2 square nuts. Put them together. Worked on this one. Worked just fine. I'm gonna leave it like it is. I'm not even buying the original one.